Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we are going to learn how to use filters on our NMLS listings. So we currently have a map that we've built of Washington, D.C., and we have already added our listings to the map represented by these diamonds. As you can see, if I were to click on one of these diamonds, we would have the address and the realtor information there. But the idea is if we want to filter these listings, then I want to go to my listings layer, click on the downward caret, and click on View Data. So from here, I can see if I scroll down that there are 8,852 listings total. But I want to make sure that I want to see the listings that are just newly listed within the past 2 weeks. So in order to do that, I'm going to add a filter. And then in my select filter field, I'm going to click on and find days on market right here. And then in my comparison, I'm going to select less than or equal to 14 and click apply. And you'll notice as I scroll down that we go from 8,852 listings to 2,177 that are listed within the past 2 weeks. Another filter that we can add, another popular filter that we can add is if we wanted to just see the filters in LMI census tracts or low to moderate income census tracts. So again, I would click Add Filter, and under the Select Filter field, I could go to Income Level, and in comparison, I'm going to select less than or equal to 2, and that tells the system that it wants both low and moderate income census tracts, and I'm going to click Apply. So we go from 2177 to 583 listings. And in fact, if I go back to my map just to check, I can see that all my listings have been filtered to just show the ones that fall within LMI census tracts. Now, another popular filter is if we wanted to see majority minority census tracts. So instead of the LMI census tracts, all I have to do is in the select filter field, change this CRA income level to CRA per min, which stands for percent minority. And here, so percent minority, and I'm gonna say greater than 50 or 50%, greater than 50%. And again, we're gonna go from 483, and I'm going to hit apply. And once we have filtered, the list grows to 967 properties that fall within majority minority census tracts. I could export this file, this table that we see here with the 967 to Excel, or I could also click on the By Agent tab and see which of these agents are responsible for all 967 listings in majority minority census tracts. That's a look at listing filters. Thanks for watching. See you next time.